Hi there, I'm Ashley and welcome to Learn to Read Colors. Malachi here is going to help us learn some new words today.
Hi there.
Are you ready to get started?
Let's go.
Okay, our first color we're going to learn here is red. You see it? We spell red R-E-D. Say it with me.
Red.
Okay, our next one we're going to learn here is blue. B-L-U-E.
Blue.
Next is white. W-H-I-T-E. White. Next is gray. G-R-A-Y.
Gray.
Next is black. B-L-A-C-K.
Black.
Next is violet. V-I-O-L-E-T.
Violet.
Next is green. G-R-E-E-N.
Green.
Next is purple. P-U-R-P-L-E.
Purple.
Next is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E.
Orange.
And now we have brown. B-R-O-W-N.
Brown.
And now pink. P-I-N-K.
Pink.
Next we have yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Yellow.
Oh, here's a pretty one. Silver. S-I-L-V-E-R.
Silver.
Next, gold. G-O-L-D.
Gold.
And last we have turquoise. T-U-R-Q-U-O-I-S-E.
Turquoise.
And that's it. We just learned the colors. What's your favorite?
Mine is red.
I like turquoise. Be sure to practice what you've learned with our fun online games and quizzes. And remember,
Always be clever.
Hey!